So today we're going to be answering the question, what's better, Clay Mitt or
Sam's Clay Bar? So let's try it out, let's run through the products and we're going to let you decide which one suits your needs better.
If you're a general detailer enthusiast, I would definitely go for Clay Mitt as it's very easy to use. You can spend 15 to 20 minutes just claying your car instead of using clay bar, which can take up to an hour sometimes. So this is a really good option for those who don't want to dedicate that much time to claying. They just want to have their car look good and get the contaminants off, and you know, that's generally what people want. It's good at cleaning big surface areas, so you can literally just use shampoo. It's literally as easy as that. You'll probably have shampoo at home, the car kind, please. So you dunk it in, you literally get it all wet, and then you just go over your car and you're all good to go. It's literally all you need to use. You don't have to worry about dropping it, and clay bar, literally drop it, you put it in the bin. You literally drop it, put it in a bucket, and you're fine. Like, this is the biggest advantage of any of them.
So clay bars are much better if you really want to go after all of the contamination on your paintwork. It also allows you to get into more nooks and crannies because of its size. It forms to the panel. It's easier to work around small crevices, especially like on the lower half of your bumpers and areas like that. Your Clay Mitt isn't really going to get in there, but a clay bar definitely will. The downside, if you drop it, it's going in the bin. You cannot reuse a clay bar. Do not ever reuse a clay bar if you drop it. You will damage your paintwork. So it picks up more contamination, goes into more detail, forms to the panel, and you can do about 5 or 6 cars from a pot.
Ultimately, I'd say if you really want to get them fine contaminants and you have a lot of time to spare, not like many people, but if you're really dedicated to your car and cleaning it, I would use a clay bar because it does get 95% of the contaminants up. But if you're the general enthusiast, general detailer, this is a very good product to use. Cost efficient, time efficient, everything efficient. It's great.